Filters will typically look, especially your inline or high pressure filters, will typically look something like this. Now, the filter head itself will typically have an indication or an arrow in which the direction of fluid will flow. So you have your inlet side here, outlet side over here. If you're just replacing the element inside the filter, usually you'll have a screw or a nut at the base, which removes this bottom canister to get to the element. Once you have the element out, you may find a marking that indicates or represents what it is. If not, if you look for a tag right here on the filter head, you'll often see a replacement part number or at least the size, which calls out your options for replacement. There could be several different filters that fit this cartridge. When evaluating these or maintaining, a lot of them will have an indicator. It can be a visual indicator that'll change from green to red, indicating plugged, or it could be an electronic indicator, maybe closing a circuit and sending a signal to the machine or creating an alarm. Those will typically be found here at the top, and those are measuring the differential of pressure between your inlet and your outlet. So if there's a pressure buildup within this filter, that's an indication that it's plugged and time for replacement.